Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So this week, as promised, I am doing a DIY sticker video. I have seen this a few places on YouTube. The first person I saw do it was Lauren and Ashley, so I will link her down below. And I am super excited to try this out for you. As you guys know, one of my main goals for my channel is just to find affordable crafts and try them out for you, just to see, what works, what doesn't work. So that's why I super wanted to try this, and I think it's a good idea for being able to have stickers that aren't too pricey. So let's just see how it goes, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, ideas, or suggestions, just put those below, and let's just get right into this. So let's get started. So my first method is probably the more obvious method, and that is using sticker paper. This was 10 Canadian dollars or 8 US dollars at Walmart, and you get 15 sheets. So I found this online and I printed it. I do want to say that I don't condone stealing other people's artwork. I found this on Pinterest and it wasn't linked to any page. It was literally just a photo, so I used it. If the artist who made this sees this video, you can tell me and give me your link, and then I will put it below, and I will even buy some of your stickers. So I don't know if these are free. I'm guessing that they are since they weren't linked, but like I said, don't sell anyone's artwork or claim it as your own. But I cut all of these out, and I might be a bit weird, but I like to save all the scraps that I can so I don't waste. So I just was cutting out some of the paper to make them into stickers eventually. So this brings me to my next method, which is just drawing on sticker paper, which is totally cool too if you don't want to use the ink or you don't have a printer. So now I'm just coloring it in. I got these markers for $4 at the Dollarama, so you don't have to have anything that's really crazy, just something to color it in with. Here's how they came out. I just did really simple ideas. So I wanted to make a little envelope to hold them, so I took this old envelope that I had from Sticky. If you've seen my Sticky videos, then you'll know what this is. If not, I will put it in the cards above. So I literally just cut it up into thirds and I taped the edges so it would be like a little tiny envelope. I'm really into reusing things so I don't have to throw it away or recycle it, just repurpose it. So I made this little envelope for my stickers. I put them in there, and then I just labeled the outside so I would know what it was. So I labeled it cake stickers, and then I labeled this one DIY stickers, and then in parentheses I put paper because that was the little strips of paper that I had cut out, and then I labeled this one DIY stickers, which is the ones that I had created. So after that I stored them in this little binder, and I will talk about that more later. So the next idea is really simple, and that would be to just find a sticker page that you already own that has space, and then just draw on it. So I just drew a little heart to make my point, and then you would just cut it out. So now I'm getting to the part that I was really excited about, and it's really the reason that I made this video, and that is to either print or draw your own stickers on regular paper. And I got this, it was free online. It was from Melina Haas. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the name, but I will link it down below. She does have some free planner stickers, so I printed these out, and then I was putting the scraps away into my scrap paper bag, and also I wasn't going to make all of these into stickers today, so I saved the extras. Another idea I had was just to find a picture in a book that you want to be a sticker and cut it out, or you could trace over it with a piece of paper, though this would be a little bit hard without some kind of like light box or something to help the image project through the paper. But you could always draw it, or you could even trace it on your computer or your phone. I think that Lauren Ashley mentions this in her video. And lastly, you can draw it on regular paper, and then I'm going to tell you what we can do with it. So for those of you who like to watch others draw or color, I'm going to leave a little clip in here, but for those of you who don't, you can skip down to about 6 minutes. Alright, now that we have all of our paper wannabe stickers cut out and ready, we're going to take a piece of wax paper or waxy parchment paper and wax side up. We are going to place our wannabe stickers down. Now, if you're following along, I need you to just hold up a second and don't do what I'm doing. So actually, you want to put a piece of tape, sticky side down, on the wax paper first. I forgot this step and you will see me correct it. Luckily, the sticky can be lifted up because that's the whole point. So it was fine. I just got a little bit ahead of myself. I could have just edited it out of the video, but just wanted to show you guys that we all make mistakes and it's fine. It can usually be fixed. But yeah, you want to put the tape down first, then your sticker, and then another layer of tape. The bottom layer of tape is what's going to stick your sticker down, and the top layer of tape is going to adhere your paper to the bottom tape. So when you cut it out, you want to make sure you leave a good rim of tape around the sticker, because if not, it's not going to stick. So that's an important step because you don't want your paper to fall off. And I stuck these on a sheet that actually used to have stickers on it. I just saved it because I save everything. And so it was a nice thing to be able to put my stickers on. I took the parchment paper off because the parchment paper is really hard to get off actually. It's probably my #1 complaint about these, is just how hard the parchment paper is to get off. So you want to put these on empty sticker sheet because it's going to be easier for you later, or if you give them away, it's going to be easier for the person you give it to. And that being said, I really did like this method. That was just the hardest part, but otherwise I think it is a really good method, especially if you might not have money to just go out and buy a whole bunch of stickers. So here's how it looks. And then I just wanted to cut it into sections so I could store it and give it away if I wanted. I put them into the pockets I had made before, and then I stored them away. And in case you guys were wondering where I got this binder, it was actually from Sticky. I had made a purchase from their clearance section. So here I am opening it, and I had bought some stickers as well, and I love the little envelope that came in. So I got 4 sheets on clearance. I think it was called This Little Piggy, and they were so cute. I love them so much. And then I got these little pumpkins and gourds, just little fall theme. They're kind of that washi material. We saw that in the last video, that same material. These were called Chomp Chomp, I think, and I just love all of these so much. The last one was a Llama Christmas. I'm not sure if that's what all of them were called, but I think that's what they were called. So I added some little pictures to help, but this little piggy, I couldn't find that one anymore. I think it might just be out of stock or discontinued, I'm not sure. So now I'm gonna say my goodbyes as I put together this binder. You guys are welcome to stay and watch or skip to the end, but thank you guys so much for watching my video. It means so much to me. I've been getting so much positive feedback lately, and really each of your comments literally just means everything to me, and I'm so happy to be able to show you these crafts. As always, you're welcome to find me on social media. All of my accounts are down below, or leave your comments, ideas, or suggestions. I appreciate all the feedback I've been getting and hearing back from you guys. I hope to see you guys next weekend for a new video. I have so many videos coming up. I have so much footage ready for you guys. I have been trying to post 2 videos a week. It doesn't always work out for me, but I definitely am sticking to my 1 a week. It's just that I've had a lot of footage from my pen pals and my bullet journaling, so we will see what I can put out next week. And I hope that you guys will tune in for that, and I will see you guys next time. So bye.